My lovely fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. So the part 2 of the previous video when I just do, I be this. The princess of this shrine say, yo is not their problem. To free yo is not their problem. But they cannot also free yo like that, because there is a spiritual agreement between them and Juju Ekwensu. For yo to be free, they need a spiritual sacrifice to be offered. So yo is not the main problem when he make this princess come outside to confess. The reason she's confessing is May Edochie. So she said after they did everything for Juju Ekwensu, all the charms, before they prepare that charms, they have to go and attack May Edochie to quench that fire. When it be say she they use, they pray, they protect her husband, so that anywhere we go, he go in peace and come home in peace. So they attacked May Edochie for 21 days. They started with her dreams. Coming to her dreams, feeding her, you know, all those dreams where you they dream, you go they see yourself, say you they eat for dream, some go they drink water for dream, some they go they carry them, they go different places, some you go see person dash you, some strange things like wristwatch, all those spiritual evil things in dream. So they started with it with May Edochie. Those eating in dream is to weaken our spirit. Eating in the dream, seeing all kind of drinking in the dream, all those evil dreams when they come the oppressed person. So they use all those things to weaken May Edochie. When they don't weaken May Edochie, then they started attacking her. She will wake up, she will see mark for her body, she will see pinch for her body. So they started attacking her. They were able to oppress her. Because then May Edochie, she dey pray, she believed in God, but she was not that strong. So she said even her Jamashon was like their playground. They fly, they go there, they fly, come back. They have evil eyes around the house. He said they put evil eyes, spiritual eyes, around that. They put evil eyes on that house. They said that house was under their control. They were in control. They were operating in that house. So after they did all these things, they were now able to tie yo. They said Juju Ekwensu and her mother with the sister, they came back again and said that is not enough. That they want the downfall of May Edochie. Because after they don't tie yo, they were able to get yo. The problem now was Juju Ekwensu moving into a Jamashon, which May Edochie refused. Even after they attack her, they were still not able to control her spiritually to take over that mansion. So Juju Ekwensu and her family, they returned back to this Mami Water shrine and they told her the situation of things. So they said they're going to teach May Edochie a lesson. So according to this Mami Water, he said everything when it happened to May Edochie, he said now that shrine for happen. He said now they cause May Edochie business, now they spoil her. He said now yeah. He said now they strike the business. He said they strike her with different sickness. He said just that May Edochie na person we know they come out for social media to complain. He said that depression where she talk, she said now for their shrine there, now they throw the depression, go give May Edochie. She said they did a lot of things, a lot to May Edochie. He said they cause her many sickness, they make her to waste her money. He said they put baskets, spiritual basket, make all her money lost. He said they cost her a lot of pains. They cost her a lot of pains. He said everything where she lose, he said now this shrine, now they for do her. So she said the worst part of it when they can't do. He said when they were preparing this charm for yo, he said the worst part of the thing when they can't do. He said after when they were preparing the charm, they said there is no way where you fall in love with Juju Ekwensu. No way. So they have to take the identity of May Edochie and put it on Juju Ekwensu. Waiting you they see for Juju Ekwensu na May Edochie. He said they exchange it. Then May Edochie was not spiritually strong. They took her real identity. They put on for Juju Ekwensu face. Anytime when you, he said the moment they do that, he said they did not only carry Juju Ekwensu, they did not only carry May Edochie identity to put on Juju Ekwensu, they also carry May Edochie children identity to put on Juju Ekwensu children. He said, now this shrine, now they tell Juju Ekwensu, make it tell you make it the call. That is senior son Kambi. He said it was a spiritual something they did. So, according to them, the face where you they see for Juju Ekwensu face now May Edochie face. What Juju Ekwensu is wearing in front of you is May Edochie face. She said the moment they stole May Edochie identity, they put it on Juju Ekwensu. So everything you is seeing in Juju Ekwensu is his wife. All those intelligent woman, says my special CEO, hardworking woman, she work hard. Now you they see in Juju Ekwensu. Even the children of Juju Ekwensu, now the same thing. His own biological children, now they see in them. That is what they use in dragging you into the life of Juju Ekwensu. He said, but that thing, it expire because it's a charm. It cannot work forever. He said, anytime when it expire, Juju Ekwensu go quickly rub her for her face again. Rub the thing for her children's face. He said, sometimes your eye go still clear. You go still go they think of your children. You go they think of your wife. He said, it's normal. He said, but if you be like say the thing won't come clear for your eye finish, Juju Ekwensu will quick use that thing to rub her face. He said, Juju Ekwensu, what you is seeing with Juju Ekwensu is May Edochie. He said, now this shrine, that their shrine, now they for one. So she said, after everything where they don't do so, he said Juju Ekwensu still came to them and said May Edochie did not allow her to enter Ajamashon. She don't get you. You is not under her. Everything we tell the man they do. But she cannot enter the mansion. She cannot. She have tried everything. It's not working. Now they call her, they say. Now they can't. She Juju Ekwensu and the family. They told her that she should remove May Edochie from the road. Send May Edochie enemy to 6 feet. He said, now Mama said, okay, if that is what you people desire, that you shall get. He said the Juju Ekwensu say they want May Edochie enemy to go to 6 feet. So that Juju Ekwensu can take over the mansion. They want it to happen in a clean way. So they said that one problem no day. So, according to her, during this time, before they go the mission, May Edochie can travel, go Doha. As May Edochie travel, go Doha, they were not able to get May Edochie. So they were waiting for her to return so that they can go on this mission. As May Edochie come back from Doha, they never knew that what she went to do there is a Christian program. The Juju Ekwensu were even mocking her. Say they call her cry. Say the whole thing, say they put on for social media. She said everything that is happening in social media, I say it did their shrine here. They here. He say they their shrine. He said Juju Ekwensu Gbola warrior. Now their shrine there. Now they for creating. Their shrine. Now they for creating. He said Juju Ekwensu cry call me. They say there is one thing called me nation. Oh, she no gets. He said now them put spiritual people on social media. When they start this talk, then they started gaining members. With what they put on Juju Ekwensu head, people where they spiritually weak, they will see her and start seeing her as a victim. They start to pity for her. Those are people that are spiritually weak. The charm where they put for her head, they attract them. And the moment you join them, they will put your name inside that their calabash. You will remain a member, and a member you will be forever. He said many things when they happen for social media. She said na them they cause am. He said so he said they operate for social media because that is where they use their power on. He said everything where they happen for them, Juju Ekwensu will just call them. They'll go operate on it. I don't feel tell now before say all of una where they talk of Juju Ekwensu, una strong on hand and leg. Those people are not ordinary. He said nothing that happens on social media that she don't bring to their shrine. Nothing. You see somebody talking about me, Edochie, before you know they don't strike your account. Before you know they don't strike your account. Now inside that shrine there, now that they operate. You will see that she is quiet, physical in your eye, but behind closed door, she do more than devil. So she said when me Edochie came back from Dua, he said they saw her when she did cry. He said now the year, now they do the thing, put for social media. They started mocking me Edochie. He said anything when they put for social media, they will work on it, make the thing go viral to bring me Edochie enemy down. So when me Edochie came back, they give her anointing oil, make she pour for her compound. She said, but they thought that me Edochie, that they were using, that they were operating on her, was the same me Edochie. So they went on their second mission. And this mission was to buy her enemy. After all, she was under them. You see all those attacks where they attacked me Edochie that time. You don't hear her again. Then she was under them. Even when she was a Christian, she was praying, but she was not fortified spiritually. She was under them. They were using her. They were controlling her. They were scattering all her business, destroying everything she have, causing her pains, making people to mock her, doing all kind of things. But they shock Juju Ekwensu because this shrine were working for her. They said that very day, that very night. So they said that very night they went on the mission. She said she and her mother, Juju Ekwensu mama and Juju Ekwensu's sister, 5 of them, they went that night to go and buy me Edochie enemy. On getting there, say they never experienced what they saw. There they never experienced them before. He said as they take reach as they don't know. Say fire. Say the thing backfire them. He says it's where they go down mission. Now mama dated today. When mama is sick. He said that mission, now he bend Juju Ekwensu mama waist. She fall. Say that mission, now he scatter Juju Ekwensu mama waist. He said that mission, now they dry Juju Ekwensu sister, now they chop her. He said Juju Ekwensu, that same mission, now they punish her. He said the only option are for them to confess. He said Juju Ekwensu and her family said they will never confess. The last thing they will do is confess. But she need to confess for her mother's sake. He said since the Juju Ekwensu refused to confess because they see say her mother don't weak, he said so she decided to come out to confess. She don't want to lost. She said she decided to come out to confess. He said all of them, they lost their power. He said their power, they lost them. He said since when they went on that mission, he said none of them has ever been the same again. He said none of them. He said they begged me Edochie. He said all the property where they carry for me Edochie hand. Before this attack hit them, he said they won't return her. He said those things be like fire for their shrine. He said if they remove and the thing will appear by itself again. He said they take all those me Edochie hair, her private part hair, her finger, her toes, her pints and everything when they carry. Hey! He said all did their shrine. He said they want to return all. Things wanna carry spiritual. Spiritual. She said those things were taken from me, Edochie spiritual. Una understand that it's they work now. Person some pint to outside. Suddenly you go outside, you won't go carry pint. You saw 10 pints, you can't see 9. You go find you say, okay, maybe na 9 I wash, maybe I not count and wear, or maybe I not wash. They don't take that person pint spiritual. Now so they take collect me Edochie things. Then the other things in the night, spiritual. She feel the dream and say she dream. Be like say I dream say person cut my hair. Be like say na dream, but it be like real. They don't cut her. So that was how they took me Edochie things. Even go reach Abi Eliod, they take her that they were using to work against her in their shrine. So according to her, she say hand they meet all of them. All of them. She said she need to beg me Edochie. Need to beg her and say after everything they did, this woman is still on her feet. Her mother is down. Her mother is down. Say me Edochie friend should help her so that they will beg me Edochie. Say me Edochie should please. He said body do they hurt them. Body they hurt them. He say even after all these things they happen, Juju Ekwensu still carry me Edochie children come their shrine. He said the place where they tie Daniela enemy. He said they don't go lose them. He said they go lose them. He said every night that thing, fire go just they come out. Fiam, fiam, fiam. He said they go everywhere go they hot. He said they go lose them. He said even Kai, they still tie Kai. He said they tie Kai. He said they don't still lose Kai. He said they tie Kai. He said now this shrine, now they won't buy Kai for the second time when they say me Edochie. He said now this shrine, now they carry Kai come, me they buy Kai enemy. He said but they don't lose them. He said the heat where they come out from there. He said everywhere go they hot, all their body go they hot. They have to lose it. He said they bring Zin come for changing of identity. As Juju Ekwensu court come punish him, his children, he pikin come get leg. Now cause me they exchange identity. He said that one, he said now you, now he carry Zin come give them. He said, but you never knew what they wanted to do. They just tell you say, he said they tell you another thing. He said, but the man no say na exchange of identity na they won't do. They won't carry Zin. They won't carry glory, carry destiny. They won't change your face. He said, but it not work. He said the moment they call that boy name, say everything scatter. And they say, no. If they will even do it, Juju Ekwensu have to wait, make the boy big first. Because the boy clean, he not get sin for body. Anything where they do now go backfire. Make they wait, make fair grow, make they commit sin. Before they fit use the sin when he commit, to attack him. He said, so for me Edochie children, he said none of me Edochie children they are shrine. He said they tie them, not be say they not tie them. But the fire when he burn them, they not free, they have to lose them and set them free. He said, now only you not the time for you, because to free you is sacrifice, a dearly sacrifice need to be paid. They made an spiritual agreement with Juju Ekwensu. He said, so, me Edochie, please. Say they did a lot to her. Say her wedding ring there, me she can't carry all her property. The property they give them problem now. All their body they hurt. They not fit do anything again. If mama they down, me Edochie forgive them. They need forgiveness from me Edochie. You want to talk to me Edochie herself and beg me Edochie to have mercy on them. Me Edochie forgive them. Say they've done everything. They not fit be themselves again. They say they should go and personally beg me Edochie. So they are begging me Edochie Biko, please have mercy on them, forgive them. Anything where they do at all, forgive them. Hey, oh lege, oh my people. So she said, please, oh, they want to remove everything that concerns me Edochie from their shrine. Everything that have to do with me Edochie, they want to clean it from their shrine. That name they give them problem for you. That picture, that person, everything about her is now a problem to them on their shrine. So they want me Edochie to come and pack everything. When he did their shrine, me carry they go. Please, they should talk to me Edochie. Now the person can't tell it. Now me Edochie best friend can't tell this Mommy Water Princess say. He say all me Edochie trade fair where she did do. So no one where they know the attacker. No one. He say all her business, no one where they not put for ye. Say na Juju Ekwensu they carry they come. He say anything we me Edochie just do like this. He say now so Juju Ekwensu go call them. Oh yeah, I'm not do like this, I'm not do like that. Say now we reach to confess. Say Juju Ekwensu say she rather buy than to confess. My people, one that shall never end. See the infested firewood where you go carry. He said nothing can free you, nothing. He said even if you free, go still go back to that place. Must go back. He said waiting make you free, now be say you won't buy. He said by the time snake tie person, if the snake lose the person, will swallow her. He said so anything will make you lose, they will swallow her. He said na snake, na face her, na face you. If you do anyhow, they will swallow her. One that shall never end. She said they need to be free from me Edochie with all the things. One that shall never end, my lovely fans. So they say me Edochie best friend was shocked with all this confession. He says so they need to be free with the help beg me Edochie. Now me Edochie best friend can say okay, wetin go happen? Me she call her friend, tell her friend immediately wetin dey happen. Because this whole thing looks scary. Now so me Edochie best friend can't come outside. Can't go call me Edochie. Tell me Edochie say see wetin dey happen. Abi you wan enter the WhatsApp group make you see? The person dey here he dey confess. Then they don't record wetin the person dey talk. So that in case you won't carry and go, even if na police station, anywhere you won't take action, make you let them know. They don't record the voice, but the person looks spiritual, look too much spiritual. So they can't tell me Edochie say the person say he need your forgiveness. Now me Edochie say she forgiveness, God forbid party. She don't know them. She don't know you. Talk less of all these people. She don't even know Juju Ekwensu, talk less of all these people. They should not have, me Edochie say she don't want to have anything to do with them. She don't even want to talk to them. Me Edochie say she no want to talk to them. Say if they get wetin they do me, they go beg God. Now only God now they get mercy on people. Only God now they forgive person. Only God now person they beg for for forgiveness. She don't have anything to do with them. Me and though she say God forbid. Not be she and them with their shrine. Any evil way they plan against her, they should go and ask God for forgiveness. Not be she. Me and though she say she can never talk with such a person. She have nothing to do with such a person. I tell her best friend, say, thank you when you do all these things. So, but you say these people to her, they do not exist. For her, she don't know whether they are there or not. Any evil way they do, may they go beg God for forgiveness. Not be she. She can never open her mouth to talk with such people. Demonic people. Say lie. Me though she say lie. Say she not get grudges against anybody. If anybody commits sin, make you go face God. So me though she best friend. Then she enter. Then she tell the woman, say, she don't talk to me Edosho. He said before he will even talk, now the woman say, me Edosho say no. He said, fear koko kashamu. Say me Edosho say no. It's not because I never tell you now. He said yes, because if me Edosho say he forgive her, she say she will feel the sign. She said the sign is not there. Me Edosho have not forgiven them. Say the bundle is still on them. Say me they beg me Edosho. They cannot use force. They cannot fight her anymore. Since she came back for Duhan, there is some kind of powers, prayers, protection on her. So they cannot fight her. Hey, wonder shall never end. So what they want is forgiveness. You they see, they say Juju Ekwensu, say she and her family, they rather buy than to confess. They say they know they confess. When they see something, they say they know they confess. Lie, they know they confess. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. Say Juju Ekwensu na old woman, now na they see for years. So say na old woman. Say na me Edosho identity, now take cover face. Na me Edosho face, now they use. Hi! Say now they use. Anytime we be like, say you won't start to do, you will go rub that thing, you go start to see your wife. For me Edosho. Now wow. Life is deep. Oh. Life is deep. See the evil way that they do. They say the shrine na inside Calabar, na ide inside Calabar. Na there they tell you they Calabar. you dey for Calabar. He say all those things where Juju Ekwensu sister they do. He say no they work. He say na that attack where they go attack me Edosho, where they won't go buy me Edosho enemy. He say na there they lose many of their spiritual power. He say Juju Ekwensu sister, he say she's not spiritual powerful again. Say her power don't lose. He said their hand meets there, not be small. He said Mama Juju Ekwensu waist, say na there for bend. Say na there for bend. Say nothing can straight it. It's a spiritual attack. Nothing can straight it. He say all of them, they are paying for it. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. Though. Me Edosho say no concern now. Anything we get to do with, and I say no get hand. He no they wanna they do juju. He no give una a picture. He no give una anything. So anything you people plan, it is your business. Now una head una go take carry. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I love you all and may God bless you all. In Jesus' name, inshallah.